Now you could also use ChatGPT in your career development also. For example, career planning, career path. You need to explore different career options and pathways based on your interest and skills. So for example, let us say I have interest in physics, maths, and programming. What are the career options available for me? Let us ask this ChatGPT. Let us see whether it could guide me in my career or not. So the first, if you have interest in physics, maths, and programming, that is software engineer or developer. You could be a data scientist, analyst, with strong mathematical and programming skills. You could pursue a career in data science, artificial intelligence. It's related to engineering. So you could also be a mathematics educator if you don't want to be an engineer. Then there are some computational physicists, software development in scientific computing, different aerospace engineer. They design and develop and test aircraft, spacecraft, cryptographer, blockchain developer. So there are a lot of things you could do. Now if you want to write some resume and cover letter, you could also get help. You just ask. I have already shown you in one of the lectures that how you could make your cover letter. Now for building your resume, you could what all you have to do while building your resume, how you have to begin a prompt. You have to begin a prompt. My name is this, and then you have to tell I have done my education, done my education from these particular institutes, and tell your marks, tell your grades, how your life has been, what are your achievements, and mention everything. You just have to mention everything in just few sentences, and you just have to give this a prompt to chat gpt, and it will develop a resume on its own. You may have to edit a few things, but it will develop a resume of yours. And I have even shown you how to you can make a cover letter in one of the lecture, right? So you could build your resume and cover letter using chat gpt. Now for interview preparation, this also has been discussed in one of the lecture, like in an interview there's a common question, tell me about your strengths and your weaknesses. So we have discussed in one of the lectures how you could you know answer this question using chat gpt. Now coming for interview preparation, common questions, let us ask chat gpt what are common interview questions and answers, right? And the next point was, while it generates a response, we could see the next point, interview tips. Learn techniques to improve your interview performance, such as body language and responding to tricky questions if they trick you. So what you need to do in that particular situation, you don't have to get nervous, and all other tips ChatGPT will give you all. So see, uh, some might feel that in this course, um I'm just prompting ChatGPT. I have the motive of this course is to make you aware that what all you can do with ChatGPT. Sometimes when you are stuck in a problem, your mind doesn't go at a certain place, that even ChatGPT can do this. It has happened with me too, that I have been searching, researching for something, and I'm not using ChatGPT. I'm just going on Google search engine, and I'm searching. I'm going on sites. I'm not getting the you know accurate data, and it's taking a lot of time. Then we remember, oh, we could also do this from ChatGPT also. So don't be that guy. Now coming back to our course, common interview questions and answers. So that is, tell me about yourself. So how you should frame all your sentences. So this will be your answer, and in the bracket you have to mention your own details, that what is your experience in education, what is your passion, and what are your different responsibilities and achievements, and what excites about you, the job you're applying for, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. You already have discussed this. Like, this is one of the important question, why do you want to work for this company? So you could answer like this. You could just give a prompt and ask for the answer. So these are 10 questions. If you want to learn more, just give a prompt, tell me some more questions, so it will give you more questions. So this is how you could use chat gpt in your career development also. So career planning, career paths, resume and cover letters, interview preparations. So this is how you could do. So here we end all the health and personal development section. It has been quite long. The now in the next section we'll be using ChatGPT for educational purposes. I will tell you how to make the max out of ChatGPT for educational purposes. So that's it for this video and this section. I hope you would have understood and you are now aware how you could use ChatGPT in your daily life and your health, how to prepare a diet chart, how to prepare your workout, exercises, what all you should do, what should be your diet, your nutrition, your personal development, in career development, skill development, personal health management tips, mental health, physical health, everything I have covered. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.